everyone, it's a beautiful day and welcome back to 5 Tool Tuesday. 5 Tool Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 more tools that you don't have to buy from Tandy. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to give you a bonus tool. Bonus tool. For free. If you like this series, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. All right, let's get right into it. Number 1, the 6-inch ruler. My brother used to be a guitar builder. He gave me this when I started doing leatherwork, and he said, it's gonna be the most useful tool that you have. And I said, what are you talking about? It's a ruler and it's tiny. What good is that gonna do me? And it soon became the most used tool in my workshop. 6-inch ruler doesn't seem like much, but when you're working with things that you're constantly having to measure, constantly having to draw a little straight line, it's just so handy. It's way handier than trying to grab a big old square or even just a regular 12-inch ruler. Like, it's just so easy and so handy. Love it. One of my favorite tools I own. My brother gave me this one. I'm not sure where he got it. He certainly didn't get it from Tandy. I think you can get these in a hardware store. Not Tandy. Number 2, set of pliers. This is a pretty heavy duty set of pliers. When you get those stubborn holes and you've got to put your needle through the hole, sometimes the hole's maybe not big enough or the needle gets a little stuck, or you got to grab the end of that needle with the pliers and pull it through. The reason I have these big old pliers in my workshop is they're great snippers. So I use these for snipping the end off my rivets. Just good old. Takes the end of the rivet right off, real handy. And I mean, pliers are just so handy to have in your workshop. Obviously, you don't have to buy them from Tandy. Get them at the hardware store. Great tool, don't have to buy it from Tandy. Number 3, the ball peen hammer. Very important thing to have in your workshop. One side, great for flattening those stitches. Thud, 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 thud. Make them nice and flat so that they all look real nice when they're laying on top of the leather or in that little stitching groove. You just want those stitches to look nice and flat and even, as though some crazy machine did it, but no, it's just you, just using hand tools. So that's the flat side, and the round side, you want to use that for peening copper rivets. So when you're using copper rivets, you got to have a good old ball peen hammer. Get that nice hammered look. Man, does it look nice when you get a good copper rivet. Takes a little bit of skill with a hammer. I'm not Thor, but I can use a hammer pretty decently. Good old ball peen hammer. Hardware store special. Number 4, the cutting mat. Leatherwork. You gotta have a cutting mat. This is just one of those cutting mats you buy at the craft store. Michael's, I think I got this one at. Yeah, you don't want to wreck your table, so get a cutting mat. Not much more to say about that. Number 5, butterfly clips. When you're working on a piece of leather, say you're gonna glue these 2 scraps together, put glue on them, stick them together, then you take a nice scrap of some soft leather, put it over top, and then you just clamp it down with some butterfly clips, like that, just like so. Then when you take them off, things are really glued tightly together. It's in the place that you want it to be, and you don't have to worry about it. Got these at Staples. And last but not least, number 6, the bonus tool. Bonus tool. The granite slab. Again, my brother gave this to me when I was getting into leatherwork. It's just a piece of countertop. This is one of those things that if there's a countertop store nearby, just go in there and, hey, can I have a scrap of countertop? And they'll either say, yeah, give me $5, or they'll say, sure, dude, take this scrap. It's literally a broken piece of countertop. Ugh, that's heavy. I don't want to keep holding that. You put it underneath your leatherwork when you are stamping and tooling leather. That's what I use it mainly for. I have anvils for punching holes and other things, but you can also use it for that. You could basically use it as your anvil. You don't want to damage that nice smooth surface. You know, use a metal anvil or at least cover it with something so you don't wreck it. Nice and hard and wide makes for a really good surface to do tooling on. Stamp over here, stamp over there. It's all nice and flat and even, and you're not worried about it. If you think I've missed something on this list, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I will leave an affiliate link in the description below to help you find some of these tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another episode. Peace. Cut!